Today we're unboxing Samsung 4K Ultra HD TV. It's 55 inch. It's got HDR10, has ultimate HD processor, HDR10 Plus, smart things, slim design, 4K, Apple AirPlay, works with Alexa and Google Assistant, HDMI, and it's certificated Ultra HD. So let's get into this unboxing. So what we have in the box is controller, comes with batteries. These, I'm not sure what these are actually for. You're going to need a knife to unbox it and a crosshead. Here DVs on the side. There's a lot of connections on the back of it. If it will pick it up. Yeah, it won't, but there is loads. And you can see it's like this on the back there. But yeah. And power up for the first time. Yay! Here's what a couple of the loading scenes on Forza look like. So much more detail. You can even see all the little bits on the rocks. The sun in the background is absolutely amazing. Literally looks so good. Amazing the quality. The reflection on the water. You see so much detail. Look around. So amazing.